Okay, so we're finally on the second part of Gavotte. This part is actually the most challenging one. So we can see that there are slurs, combination of détaché and legato, and then slurs and separate. We did this in the past pieces then. And then you also have slurs followed by staccato. And then you also have slurs in the same bow strokes and the introduction of 16th notes. So as a review, 16th notes again receives how many beats? It receives 1/16 of a beat. Alright? So in one beat, if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 notes would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, tere, 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 tere. So that's 16th notes, alright? Parang division siya or half of an 8th note. So yeah, okay? So in one 8th note, you have two 16th notes. Okay? So, what we want to focus is the hard parts first. Kasi madali lang naman yung mga détaché and yung mga quarter notes, madaling tugtugin, alright? So, here in the first part, you have 4 quarter notes na legato, and then you have 8 notes na nakaslur ang first, separate ang dalawa, and then a quarter note. So, it's gonna sound something like this. So, notice what I did is I did full bows on the quarter notes. And then, full bow pa rin, kahit 8 notes kasi nakaslur naman siya. Okay? But the challenge here is, you go from third finger A string to second finger E string. So you wanna make sure na yung pag-switch mo ng string is smooth since nakaslur siya. So hindi po siya ganito. Okay? Hindi po siya pinuputol. Dapat connected. Okay? So we want to practice open string A to E. Okay? So ganyan po yung practice when you practice para connected yung slur. Okay? So once again, I'll play on the first 2 measures of second part of Gavotte. Okay? And then, here on the third and fourth bar, is nakita natin combination of quarter notes na naka-détaché tayo, and then 16th notes na naka-slur, so tag-aapat, and then staccatos na 8 notes. So it's gonna sound something like this. You wanna play this slowly lang, okay? Okay? So notice na what I did sa 16th notes is full bow pa rin, but you can actually use not full bow, short lang, hanggang dito lang at least sa first marker ng upper bow mo. So you wanna divide you wanna know the notes first. Huwag ka muna mag-slur, no slurs muna. So you wanna play it as okay? So those are your 16th notes. And you wanna make sure na you know your notes first before proceeding to the next. Okay? So, notice also you have a C sharp, tapos nag-natural C siya. Okay? So, which means you're gonna have to switch from finger 2 na naka-sharp, and then back. Okay? So, I already taught that one, you just practice it slowly. So, once again, practice it slowly like this, and nakaposte yung 1 all throughout. Okay? And then staccato na rin on the 8 notes. Okay, so take note of that. And then once you get the feel now, once you know your notes, you can start doing 4 down bows and 4 up bows. So ganito po siya. And then up bow. Okay, once again, it's like this. So 4 down bows and then 4 up bows. Alright? Now, on our second system, basically ang bowings ganito lang. Just take note, okay? I'm gonna play the whole second system. It's okay. So the bowings are basically down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So nakaslur po yung 8 notes na staccato and you want to connect those are the same bow strokes. So once again, it's like this. Okay? And make sure na nakaposte yung 1. Okay? It's a guide. It's your finger guide. So when you press finger 4, may time talaga na nag-finger 1 ka sa D string and then finger 4 on A string. So it's quite a challenge, but you need to practice this one. Now it's the same note. It's both E, but an octave away or an octave apart from each other, okay? So, practice this one. Make sure you're in tune parate. And then when you get to that last measure of the second system, syempre you have 16th notes again. I want you to practice that separately once again. So, hindi po siya dire-diretso na isang bow lahat, okay? So, the bowing there, the last measure is down. So, down, up, down. But, when you practice the notes first, it's okay, practicing isa-isa muna. And once you get the feel of it, you want to start doing 4 up bows ulit. Okay, so it's down, up, 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 down. Okay, once again, it's down, up, 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 down. Okay? Tapos pag medyo na-feel mo na yung connection or na-feel mo na yung division ng notes, pwede mo na siya isabay pero connected na po lahat. Hindi na po siya putol-putol na pag-up. So it goes. Okay? Same lang po yun sa first system natin. Na kung saan iniisa-isa natin yung 16th notes. Okay? But when you know your notes na and alam mo na yung divisions, alam mo na kung anong area ng bow, you can also start connecting them na kasi dapat connected talaga siya. But while learning, iniisa-isa natin and sineseparate para mas maintindihan. So it goes. Okay, and in the second system, it goes. Okay, so practice lang that. And then of course, you see repeat marks again. So follow the repeat marks lang. As a review and reminder, repeat marks are like parentheses lang. Okay, so kung saan yung naka-enclose, yan ang i-repeat ninyo, okay? So, in the third system, we have 16th notes again and staccato na quarter notes. So, what you want to do is, same thing pa rin, separate pa rin, no slurs muna. Okay? You want to do that first. And then, once you get to know your notes na, you can also start applying the bowing, pero isa-isa pa rin. Okay, so it goes. Okay? So, mabagal lang talaga. Babagalan mo lahat. And then you get to know your notes. You do the same for the next group of notes. Yung mga 16th notes. And then sa fourth system or sa last system natin sa Gavotte, we have here. So what you want to do here is you have a choice of using either finger 4 or open string E. It's up to you. Finger 4 or open string E. And then just isa-isahin mo talaga yung notes, learn it, and no rush. Okay, in the last part also, you can see na we have pizzicato. When you do pizzicato, we have 2 up bow strokes. And then, what you want to do is, while holding the bow, di ba ganito yon? What you want to do is extend your forefinger, tapos ito na po yung mag-staccato. Ay, pizzicato, I'm sorry. Ito na po yung mag-pizzicato. Pizzicato in Italian means to pluck. So magpa-pluck na po tayo ng string na parang guitar. So what I did is, I put it right behind the string I'm plucking. So example, we're plucking D string. Okay? So, D string dito. And then, papunta sa left hand ang motion. Okay? Papunta sa left hand. And then, you wanna pluck on the fingerboard and not dito sa area kung saan tayo nagpe-play ng bow. Because you will build up the rows in there and kung matanggal mo yun, then it won't make a sound that much na when you play again. So you wanna play dito sa fingerboard and then towards the left hand. So, you wanna practice that part sa last. And then, staccato. Ay, pizzicato, sorry. Okay? So, slow practice, and then be patient, and enjoy what you are doing. So, that ends our video. Happy practicing.